Hello everyone, welcome to another Guest Internet instructional video. And this is part of a series of videos that we're presenting to show people how to configure a Guest Internet controller. All the Guest Internet controllers are almost identical. They have a few differences in features, but once you learn this process, then you're going to be able to configure any Guest Internet controller. Before you configure a controller, do download the configuration guide. This explains how to connect the equipment. We have a configuration guide for each of the star kits and also for the controllers. And it explains to you how you log in as the administrator to start the configuration. So follow the instructions, log in as the administrator, and you'll see the system information page. Now, on the left-hand side is a series of menus that allow us to configure certain functions. And we've gone through the status, the management. We've started on the advanced settings. We've talked about the login settings. And the next section here is the login messages. Now, any message that's presented on the login page can be edited here. So you can see that we can actually change the text. We can translate the text. We can put it in any language that we want. We can use any characters that we want. Okay. And so it makes it very easy to customize the login page, all the interactions with the customers using these messages. And you'll see that there are a lot of messages here. If you want to make the translation process easy, copy and paste these into AI. Ask AI, your favorite chat GTP or Claude, to translate these for you. So translation is very, very quick. So you copy and paste to a chat GTP page, and then you copy and paste back from chat GTP. Very quick, very quick. So you can see the messages are divided into sections: access messages, login messages, logout messages, timer messages, MAC messages, that's the MAC address, the address of the device that's being connected, and then error messages. There's quite a lot of error messages, okay? So a lot of things can happen. Maybe there's no internet connection, and so we want to provide that message to the user saying there's no internet, okay? Or maybe the code has expired, and so we want to tell the user that the code has expired. So I know a lot of you want to customize your installation. We've already covered in the login settings how you can customize the login page graphically. You can create your own graphic design. And so all the messages that will appear in your login page can all be edited here. And so you can make a very, very customized login page for your guests, for your users, okay? Now, keep in mind that if you have a big network with many controllers, you don't have to do this type of edit on each and every controller. You create one configuration, and then you can copy that configuration to all the other controllers. And so if you have 1,000 controllers, as some of our customers do, okay, make one configuration on one controller, create a backup, and then restore that onto all the other controllers. Very easy to do, okay? So if you have any questions, please send us a message. We have our email on our website. We're very happy to answer your questions. And keep looking out for our next videos. We're going to go through all the settings here in our advanced settings so that you understand how to configure each one. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.